Lab centrifuge, again from the house of thermospectrum instruments, aesthetically finished. This has got a 7-inch LCD display. This has got the indications for imbalance, lid lock, lid open, run, everything. Imported knobs. You can see the finish. These are export quality centrifuges. Equipment should run as well as look aesthetically. The hinges non-break, it doesn't break that way, or upon using it will not give up. This has got inbuilt fans. Very sleek, compact lab centrifuge. You can open the lid by pressing the side button. It has got automatic opening. You can see the ball, finish, rotor head. The rotor head has got a lid. See the lid. And now the centrifuge is fitted with 12 numbers of 1.5 ml, 2 ml tubes. It has a various range of rotor heads which can go and fit into this. This is, look at the quality of the gasket. It is very difficult to operate with one hand. Okay, done. Hold it. Okay. Now once you close it, there is this centrifuge has an electronic lid lock. Here, once you program it and switch it on, immediately it will get locked. Power on the equipment, the fans will start running. There is a display of everything. The rotor is angle rotor, the time, RPM, RCF, everything. Now we will have to program it.